just realizing that I did not turn the car off.
Bruh.
The whole time I was getting gas. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but
Yo, what is going on, guys? Here, CA John back again with another video for you guys. We just left the car wash, and if you guys have not seen that video, make sure you go and watch that video. Pretty therapeutic to, you know, not only just to have the C8, but to actually be able to wash it and clean it, keep it clean. I think that's super important. But yeah, we're here again, back again with another video for you guys. I'm about to do just a little quick POV, just talking, I'm just yapping and, you know, obviously driving the car, because I feel like you can't fully experience this car unless you actually are driving it. Obviously, like with the color, it's rapid blue, nice, bright, shiny. You're obviously able to, you know, enjoy the car, but it's a totally different experience when you're driving this bad boy. So yeah, let's get on with it. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but my girlfriend had got me some new mats, so yeah, that's lovely. I love her for that. We are nice and strapped up. Let's take the car for a little drive, man. You know, what's the point of having your C8? You can't enjoy it, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's go. And again, like I was saying earlier, guys, I mean, this car is, I'm sure if you have a Corvette or if you have yourself a C8, you can, like, for sure understand what I'm talking about. But if you don't have your C8, man, you should probably consider getting yourself one. It's just the type of car that, I don't know how to explain it. It is, once you drive it, you know, you don't want to stop driving it. Like this right here is my daily, okay? And it's my daily for a reason. Well, one, I work from home, and two, it's so fun to drive. Like, it is so fun to drive, you know what I mean? Like, it's so enjoyable and it gets the job done, honestly, you know? So I don't know where they're speeding to go. Let's take this bad boy for a little drive, you dig? I've kind of been itching for this. But yeah, as I was saying, like this, you know, I have the Stingray 1LT, which is I think it's what, about a 6.2 liter engine, goes about 494 horsepower. But like, this car is super light, guys, so you know that goes a long way, and that allows you to accelerate, you know, at an insane, you know, speed. Like, what, this goes 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. Let's put it at manual. Yeah, this is a different beast than manual, you know? Like, rarely any other car, like, for the most part, you might be the fastest car on the road, even with 495 horsepower. So, yeah. I'm sure, obviously, if you guys are looking to get yourself the Z06 or the E-Ray, like, that's a whole different monster. But honestly, like, the Stingray gets the job done. I have zero complaints with the Stingray.
Yeah, but as I was saying, guys, I just wanted to let the car speak for itself. Like, this car really, it can go 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, which is 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Like, it's already at 60 miles an hour. So and honestly, I usually drive it on like automatic, but man, manual is fun. I don't know if this person's sleeping on the wheel or what. Like, fam, you can drive a little bit faster. I don't know what the heck. I get you from Delaware, but come on. I don't know why you were in the left lane driving like a slowpoke. And I don't have a problem with driving slow. It's just like, you know, right place, right time. You know, like, come on now. Yeah, I just got the car wash and the car looks amazing. It's, man, I love this car. You know, I'm at the point where I'm thinking about considering getting me a second Corvette, you know? Like, I just, yeah. I want to add a little, ooh, is that the brakes because I just washed it? I want to add a little, like, logo or like name craving, say engrave I should say, on the car for my business. But I'm still considering, maybe I should have it just say C.A. John or HUDs or, you know, something like that. But yeah, I'm thinking of doing something. Alright, I'm switching this to automatic. Man, this car handles so nice. Like, wow. I mean, guys, I'm coming from having a Camaro. You know, I had a Camaro for years, but man, the Corvette just handles so nice, so much better. It's like just night and day, you know, just night and day. Come on, bro. You gotta move your battery out the way now. Driving this car.